Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about the basic knowledge of the ratio. It is very important to know in order to solve the problems related to the ratio. So you see the basic thing. What is ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities of the same kind and with the same units. The ratio of A to B is written as A by B. Now I am going to discuss, it is written as A by B, where A is called antecedent and B is called the consequent, and A, B are called the terms of the ratio. Now I am going to discuss the different facts about ratio. The ratio of two similar quantities are found. Next is ratio should be expressed in its lowest term. That is 15 by 20. I have to write like 3 by 4. That is 3:4. No units are written in a ratio. In the ratio, units are not mentioned. When two quantities are in different units, my first duty is to convert the quantity in the same units. For example, 2 hours is to 45 minutes is equal to 2 hours is to 45 divided by 60 hours is equal to 8 is to 3. The order of the terms in a ratio is very important. Ratio is taken only between two positive quantities. The value of a ratio remains the same when both the terms are multiplied or divided by the same number. For example, A by B is equal to A into B divided by B into K, and A by B is equal to A by K divided by B by K, where K is not 0. Now see, now these facts are very important to know before solving the problems of the ratio. Now I am going to take one example, one problem related to the ratio. Now see, I am taking one example of a problem and how to solve with the help of the ratio. It is given that if x square plus y square divided by x square minus y is equal y square is equal to 17 by 8, then I have to find out the value of x is to y, and another is that I have to find the value of x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube. Now see how to solve it. X square plus y square divided by x square minus y square is equal to 17 by x. Then by cross multiplication, it will be 8 into within bracket x square plus y square is equal to 17 into within bracket x square minus y square. Then x square plus y square is equal to 17x minus 17y square. Then the next step will be 8y square plus 17y square is equal to 17x square minus 8x square. So it will be 25y square is equal to 9x square. So 25 by 9 is equal to x square divided by y square is equal to x by y whole square. Then 5 by 3 whole cube whole square is equal to x by y whole square. So x by y will be equal to 5 by 3. That is 5 is to 3. Now see, I am making you understand once again. So 25y square is equal to 9y square. 25 by 9 is equal to x square by y square. So is equal to x by y whole square. Now whole square of x by y is equal to 5 by whole square of 5 by 3 whole square. So x by y is equal to 5 by 3 is equal to 5:3. Okay. So next I am going to solve, going to find the value of x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube. Now see friends, x cube plus y cube, I have to find the value of x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube. Now I have to divide the both the term by y cube. So after dividing both the term by y cube, it will be like this: x cube divided by y cube plus y cube by y cube divided by x cube by y cube minus y cube minus y cube. So it will be written like this: x by y whole cube plus 1 divided by x by y whole cube minus 1. Now I have to put the value of x is to y. 5 by 3 whole cube minus 1. Then it will be 125 by 27 plus 1 divided by 125 divided by 27 minus 1. So it will be 1 plus 25 plus, after adding it will be like this: 27 divided by 27, 125 minus 27 divided by 27. It will be what? 1, कितना होगा ये? 5 and 2 7, 12, 5, 1, 152 divided by 98. Now now see that after putting the value of x by y, that is 5 by 3 whole cube plus 1 divided by 5 by 3 whole cube minus 1. So it will be 125 divided by 120 by 27 plus 1 divided by 125 minus 27 minus 1. So after adding, it will be like this: 125 plus 27 divided by 27 divided by 125 minus 27 divided by 27. Then it will be like this: after adding 125 plus 27, it is 152 divided by 125 minus 27 is 98. Now I have to write in the lowest form. So it will be, if I divide by 2, it will be 2 7 ja 14 and 2 6 ja 12. It is 49. Now see, the value of x cube plus y cube divided by x minus y cube will be 76:49. Now this is all about this problem. If students have any problem, please write in the comment. I will try to give the answer of the questions of your comments. Thank you. Now see students, I am taking one example, one problem related to the ratio. The problem is, two numbers are in the ratio 8:9. When 12 is subtracted from each term, the ratio becomes 6:7. Find the original numbers. Now see how to solve this problem. Two numbers are in the ratio 8:9. Let the two numbers are 8x and 9x. So by condition, it is given that if 12 is subtracted from each term, the ratio becomes 6:9. So by condition, I have to write like this: 8x minus 12 divided by 9x minus 12 is equal to 6 by 7. Now by cross multiplication it will be like this. Six into 9x minus 12 is equal to 7 into 8x minus 12. So it will be 54x into 72 is equal to 56x minus 84, because 12 into 7 is what? 84. So minus 72 plus 84 is equal to 56x minus 54x is equal to 2x. So it will be what? It will be 12. 12 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. So the two numbers are what? 8x and 9x is equal to what? 8 into 6, 9 into 6, 48 and 54. Now see, I think it is clear. That is 12 is equal to 2x, so x is equal to 12 by 2, so it will be 6. Now the two numbers are 9x, 8x and 9x is equal to 8 into 6, another number is 8 into 6, 9 into 6, so it is 48 and 54. So the two numbers are 48 and 54. Thank you. This is the process how to solve the this problem. Thank you students. If you have any problem, please write in the comment. I will try to give the answer. Thank you.